Hi guys, today we will see how we can migrate a WordPress website into a GoHighLevel platform. This is actually a real project that I'm going to show you today, that how we can easily migrate from a staging WordPress to a GoHighLevel WordPress. So this is one of my best clients project that I'm going to show you today. So let's jump into the screen. This is Shifting AI website. Actually, this is in a subdomain, and this is a GoHighLevel. You can see here. Here are lots of websites we have already done for this client, and here this is the manual migration, which is I prefer to do it with all-in-all migration plugin, so we can easily upload that. So now let's go to the plugin, and now we will install the new plugin, add new, and then we will search here all-in-all, and you can see here the number 3 all-in-all WP migration and backup install. Okay, let's active. Cool, this is active, and oh, my Elementor Pro was needed to update, so I'm going to update it. Okay, this is cool. And okay, here is the plugin that I installed right now, and you will have to simply go to from here the export, and I'm going into the add option of this plugin and opening the website in a new tab, the subdomain which I have created in my subdomain shiftingai.alaminpro.com. So this website actually this client's a new company, and here you will have to simply go the file, preparing to export. Okay, so I'm just exporting the website from the subdomain first, and while it will be export, we will upload into the GoHighLevel platform. So I'm just exporting from the file, so it will be export in a file like you can see here. Okay, so let's download this file. Okay, it's downloading. It's completed, it's downloaded, and now I'm going to in the GoHighLevel, and here I'm going to upload that backup file. Okay, now this is uploading that all-in-all migration plugins backup file, and this is very easy, you know. Okay, this is done, and we have to simply click this button, request for migration. It will take a few time to complete this migration process. Okay, so it's done. You see, congratulations, your last migration was successfully completed this date. So now we will visit the website, that how it's working. This is a staging domain actually. Oh, we didn't connect. Actually, client will connect this domain later. My work was to migrate this website into this subdomain. So this is working well. This is cool. Yeah, everything looks same. I'm just randomly checking that this is working well. Everything is transferred with just a few click. You see, this is very simple. So that's all thing in this video. So comment below if you have any question. I will help you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.